The Duckling Gets a Cookie by Pictures and Words by Willems. Good morning. Let's start a new story today. I wonder what this book is about. C is for cookie. The Duckling Gets a Cookie? I do not like the look of that title, said the pigeon. Hello. Scooty, scoot, 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 scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh. Thanks. Fluffity flop flop. That was very nice of you. Can you find the word U-Y-O-U? Do you see it right here? U. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get a cookie? Can you find the word U-Y-O-U? Y-O-U. U. I asked for it. Can you find the word for? F-O-R. For. There it is. You asked for it? Politely. Good manners will get you far. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. Can you find the word U-Y-O-U? What about the word got? G-O-T? Got. I ask for things all the time. Ah! I asked to drive the bus. I asked for hot dogs. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Do I ask for many things? Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. Right now, I'm asking, why? Why? Oh, there's more, and I'll ask for one more story. Sometimes I ask for a hug, and I ask to stay up late. Yeah, I'm the askiest pigeon in town. I can't count the time I've asked for my own personal iceberg. But do I get what I want? Do I get what I asked for? No! Looks like Pigeon's having a bit of a tantrum. It's not fair! Can you find the word not? N-O-T, not. Let's look at the words. It's not fair. Here's the word not. N-O-T. Flappity flap, 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 flap. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Can you find the word like? L-I-K-E, like. Like. Did you find it? Like. L-I-K-E. Why did you get that cookie? There's the word you. Y-O-U. Uh-oh, Pigeon looks mad. He's got his little anger cloud above him. So I could give it to you. Aw, isn't Duckling nice? And another thing! Hubba what? Pigeon just realized Duckling's trying to be nice and give him the cookie. You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. This is so nice. Thank you very much. Thank you. Crunch. That is one cool crunch, crunch. Duckling. Yes, sir. Crunch, crunch. Nom, nom, nom. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. Crunch. The end of The Duckling Gets a Cookie. I hope you enjoyed our book, our first story of the day. Check back later and I'll have more stories for you. Goodbye, my friends.